Dito na kami sa Asian Dragon Buffet. Dito sa Warden. Ano yun sana? Yan. General Nelson Jong. Tayo.
Asian Dragon Buffet, Toronto weekday lunch costs $25 per person, while dinner is $45. On weekends and holidays, the prices shoot up to $30 and $50. Asian Dragon Buffet is a recently opened all-you-can-eat restaurant located in Scarborough, Toronto. Situated at 2900 Warden Avenue, Unit 202A, it offers a diverse selection of dishes, including hot items, BBQ, teppanyaki, sushi, salads, cold bar seafood, and desserts. The restaurant has garnered mixed reviews since its opening. Some patrons praise the variety and freshness of the food, particularly highlighting items like Peking duck and sushi. However, others have raised concerns about the quality of certain dishes and the speed of food replenishment. Discover new restaurants in Toronto area.
Sa kabila. Kuha nga rin ako. Ano yung sara? Ano na yun? Pang-vlog na ito eh. Ayan.
Ano lang, cream tsaka...
Duhan, okay. Ating tong. Video mo na. Banger.
Ay, ulit ba? Di Pilipino club. One, kami, gawit kami 2 years time.
Oh, bali dito kayo itong channel. Dito kami sa Seafood City. Hindi lang.
8 cups is 34.
54. 17 bucks ang ulo. Malaki ah. So, pwedeng kuwan na kagad oh. Ihawin. Ready to go. Wala, ready to go. Magkuwan tayo oh. Barbecue. Salmon. Oh, 50 bucks. Bangus. Tuna. 18 bucks. Okay. Buhay na buhay. Ito oh. Almusal. Yan. Sama?
Oh, pareho mo si Sis.
Paano?
Bananas.
15.
This is $15. Bangos.
15 bucks. Musba.
Mas bango.
Yan o.
Silog.
16 bucks. Ito naman. Yan. Silit daw. Silit.
What do you take?
Intestine. Yan ang bigas.
Ano na lang ng tray po?
Tre?
Okay. Sa akin yung ano, isang pork barbecue, number 1. At saka isang number 1 and 5. Number 1. Okay, number 1. The same is good.
Good?